guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Janae, y'all. I put in a little bit of work this week, child. So I'm coming back to you guys with another wig review, but before we get into it, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hello to all of my beautiful new subscribers, and hello to all of my returning babies. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for continuously tuning into my channel. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So today's wig is sponsored by Keswigs. I have never ever heard of Keswigs until recently, but child, let me tell you something. They got me on my toes, okay? Because first of all, the hair density of this unit, like the fullness of it, we're gonna get into the details, y'all. But first, I just want y'all to know, like, I like this wig, okay? I absolutely love it. And as y'all can see, y'all know I'm real lazy. So your girl did the extra mile for y'all this week. So yeah, give me some thumbs up for that, okay? I deserve some thumbs up. So give me some thumbs up for that. This is a 16-inch 13 by 6 wig from Keswigs. And y'all, the density is 180. And baby, when I tell you this thing is full from the root to the tip, like, I'm gonna compare this with another wig I have, and the parting, the lace on this wig is so deep. I'm going to compare that as well with another wig I got from Hair VV, and I bought that one on my own, but I'm gonna compare how the lace looks from this one and the Hair VV wig. And y'all, when I tell y'all, this wig provides so much lace room for you to part, for you to, you know, style it however you want to style it. Got me in my feels and doing all the extra and styling myself. You get a lot of lace to work with this unit. And it was so easy for me to, you know, spray my freeze spray and melt the lace. It was so easy. Y'all can see I did some baby hairs for y'all this week. I just showed out for y'all this week, okay? I showed out for my girls this week. For my girls and my babies, my men, whoever watched my channel, I showed out for y'all this week because y'all know I'm lazy. What I will say is that they do have an adjustable strap at the back, and y'all know how I feel about that. So that was super exciting. And so they have undetectable lace. It comes bleached already. I did go in and spray just a little bit of my tinting spray, just a tad bit, like literally like one big cover of spray. And y'all, I didn't plug it at all. Like, I didn't plug the lace on it or anything like that. This is straight out of the box, and all I did was put one film of tint spray on it, and it already came it already came really good. I just went the extra mile because I'm getting into that, y'all, but you don't have to do it. So it is beginner friendly if you're getting into lace wigs. Okay, so let's get into that. If you're getting into frontal wigs, this would be a good starting unit for you because you have a lot of lace to work with. And one thing about me, I cut less lace until I figure out how much I need to cut, because it's all, you know, you can always cut more, but you can't, if you cut too much, you can't scale it back. So, you know, I feel like this is very beginner friendly, especially with the quality of hair. Y'all, the quality and the volume of this hair, the density is so beautiful. I can't remember the last time I've had a wig this full. So I'm very happy about that. And so the quality of this hair as well is really, really nice. It was easy to curl. As y'all can see, the box came with some little curlers or whatnot, but I use my wand curl because I'm just that girl. I like my wand curl. So I use my thick barrel one curl to achieve these curls. And as y'all can see, she's gorgeous. This wig came ready for you to pop it on and style it. You do have to style it, but it came ready for you to just pop it on and style it. Like, you don't have to go the extra mile and do all the bleaching and the plucking, and unless you want to, but you don't have to. This wig is very much beginner. And so as you can see, you have your pre-plucked hairline, girl, so you can part it how you want to part it. Like, I am absolutely in love with this wig, from the easiness of, you know, curling it, to the density, to the volume, the undetectable lace. Like, this wig is really beautiful. And I'm not gonna lie, I was really nervous about trying this wig, but I am so happy that I did. Because what I don't be wanting to shame nobody, but you know, and I always tell these brands I'm going to be honest. So far they've been sending me some nice wigs. But this one is really, really nice. I feel like it fits my face. And I also feel like, you know, the 16 inches are so much better when it comes to me. Like, they just curl beautiful. And then, you know, with longer hair, the longer it is, the thinner it gets. So I'm just really excited about this wig. I can't wait to wear this out. Without further ado, I'm going to leave a discount code for 25% off in my description box below if you guys would like to go and purchase this unit. Thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel, and I will see you beauties next time. Bye.